What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Forrest Riverton, back at it again with another video. And today, y'all, I'm doing an unboxing, well, semi-unboxing for the brand Ronning. I hope I'm saying it right. But I kind of looked at this already. I looked at this earlier. They sent me a package. They DM'd me and they told me to like go on their website and pick out something that I like. So I scrolled on their website and I actually picked out one item that I wanted, but they told me it was low on stock. They have like this green puffer jacket that's really hard to me, but they was like they're low on stock, so they couldn't send it to me. So I went back on the website and I saw that they had this fire like camo fleece. And also, I know y'all know that I like socks, so I went on there and I was like, is it possible, can I get all the socks that y'all have on y'all website? And they went and blessed me with that. So I also have some socks as well, and I actually have a pair on, but we're gonna talk about this. Now we're gonna talk about the socks first. I really like these socks right here. So it's 3 pair, and like I said, I have a pair on my feet right now. These are super cozy, but I really love socks. Like, I just really love socks. They good for, you know, I'm in LA, so even when it's warm, I can wear shorts and all that other stuff. And if you got like a fire pair of socks on, it just make your outfit like 10 times better than what it already was. So I definitely was like, let me get some socks. And these low key are socks that I really love, like the design and everything. And yeah, I just needed these joints, so they comfy. I didn't try out on the other one, so I don't know if they have different comfortability levels or anything like that, but this says everyday uniform Ronning. So these is kind of like their everyday socks. It's like this cream colorway right here. Also, I think this is like a green. Y'all know green, like olive green is my favorite color. You can't really tell in the pictures, like in the video, but this is like a green and white sock. And then this is like a brown colorway. And then this right here is, what is this? I think this is black, but this is how high the sock go up. Y'all know me, I be always doing like this weird ass shit when I'm showing y'all stuff. But yeah, these like long socks. You can wear them like that. You can wear them like that. So yeah, those are the socks. They sent me 4 pair of socks. So shout out to y'all for sending me that. I really appreciate that. I get to rock some socks. If there's any other brand out there, y'all want to send me some socks, holla at your boy, you know what I'm saying? Need that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I actually have a pair of socks, like I think these are Birkenstock socks. Let me see them real fast, hold on. I think these is Birkenstock socks, but these kind of remind me of these. So when I saw these on Ronning's website, I was like, bro, I need these real bad because I just love the way that look. And they had like the perfect colors. Like, look at this. You could get so many different fits off with these colors. Like, these is like neutral colorways. I see why they call them the everyday sock, because they literally go with everything. It says it's a cushion footbed, 80% cotton, 20% nylon. And yeah, so also this is not like no paid ad or anything like that. They just told me that they wanted to send me some shit, and I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video about this stuff because I actually really fuck with this stuff. Some brands send me pieces and they actually don't give me the option to pick certain things. So sometimes they send me stuff that's not even within my style and I'm unable to wear it. So I'm just like, if any brand is watching, the best way for me to like do stuff is if you guys like reach out to me and let me like pick stuff. I was just talking to the homie about this shit. I was like, when brands reach out to you, like, you should ask them if you could kind of pick, because the whole goal is for them to send you something that you're gonna wear. So if you send me something that I really had no idea what it is, or I kind of didn't have any input on like picking it or anything like that, I don't know if I'm aware. So I want to know for a fact that I'm aware. So that's why I really fuck with Ronning for doing that, because they were able to let me pick a piece that I know I was gonna wear. So let's get into the main piece right here. It's fleece. I actually don't own any fleece jackets. I know around the winter time and fall time, fleeces are really, really popular. So it feels good to kind of actually get a piece in hand. This joint is super fire. It's super comfortable. It's like really, really comfortable. I love the camo on this joint. Like, this shit is so hard. They had like a bunch of other colors on their website that I was kind of debating with. They was like bright colors, but I was like, this camo is hard, bro. They have like this pocket zip right here in the front. You can put all type of shit in here. You know, I'm in LA, so I can put the lighter, the weed, all type of stuff in there, you know what I'm saying? Then they have like the half zip where you could just, it gets stuck sometimes because of the like little shit right here, but that's, you're just gonna deal with that. Just zip that shit up. This joint is really, really comfortable, good quality. And they also have like the drawstring on the side as well, where I could kind of like drawstring that joint and make it fit perfectly. But yeah, I fuck with this joint. I'm actually gonna put this joint on for y'all right now. Hold on, I'm gonna just back the camera up. Y'all can kind of see my whole setup. Let me just try this joint on. what I'm saying? I got on the vintage Levi's. Let me stand on my couch real fast. I got the vintage Levi's on. This is the silver tabs. I actually ended up taking these to the tailor so they can make the waist smaller. And you see like pause. You can see like the pockets are close together. That's because they had to like tailor them and make them smaller on my waist, so they weren't actually able to fix these. If y'all remember that video, I was like, I don't know if my tailor is gonna be able to fix them, but he ended up fixing them. So yeah, these are the perfect jeans to wear with this joint. And yeah, see, they even got the running tag in that joint right there. It looks sweet. But yeah, let me put this joint on so I can stop talking y'all head off. So yeah, hold on. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna back it up a little bit more. Y'all can kind of see. Yeah, this joint is perfect, bro. Can y'all see it? It's perfect. And it has like the scrunchy stuff on the side. I actually love that touch. I know, like I said, this is my first actual fleece piece that I actually own. So I'm not really familiar with all that stuff, but this is how it looks when it's like loose. You know what I'm saying? This is how it is when it's loose. And then if you want to scrunch it up and kind of have the shirt hang out, or if it's cold outside and you don't want that wind getting underneath your clothes, you could just tighten it up. See how the shirt hang out? You can also tuck the little strings underneath, and then boom. And you could play it like this. You could zip it. I could zip it all the way up. Or you could just like zip it down, wear the whole hat, zip out, so you kind of see the shirt with the chain. You know what I'm saying? It's low-key a fit. I had on my Stussy boots with this joint. Hold on, let me show you how. You throw these joints on with it if you want to type shit. That's low-key like a fit. I could fake put this shit on. I actually didn't plan this for real, but I put the boots on with them, with the fleece, and it kind of looks sweet. And it's a cool like fall, winter outfit for real like that. But this really was about the fleece, but as y'all can see, the pattern, it looks sweet. I really fuck with this joint. So yeah, shout out to Ronning for this joint. Yeah, so if y'all wanted this joint, go ahead, go to Ronning and tell him I sent you type shit. Like I said, this wasn't an ad or nothing like that, but maybe if y'all listening type shit, y'all can fuck with me. So this is what we gonna do. Let me know if y'all fuck with the fit though. Let me know. Let me know if y'all fuck with the fit. The Stussy Timberland boots with the Ronning fleece, with the Levi's silver tabs on. Perfect fit for real, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, I don't want to stand on my couch with it, but can you see the fit? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all, this is the Ronning piece. Like I said, shout out Ronning for sending me this. I always appreciate brands when they DM me and tell me that they like fuck with my style and stuff like that, and they want to send me pieces. I always appreciate that. So yeah, if there's any other brands out there that's, you know, sharing, holla at your boy. But let me know how y'all like this piece. Would y'all rock this joint? Would y'all not fuck with it? Or do y'all own any other fleece? What's some other fleece y'all think I should get into? Like I said, I know around the fall, winter time, fleece are really, really popular. Like it's a really popular piece. So let me know some other fleece brands that, or some other brands that make fleece that y'all think I should check out. And yeah, this is the Ronning fleece jacket, you know what I'm saying? This joint is actually super tough. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with this joint. This is not me even just saying this joint. I actually really do fuck with this joint. And it's something different in my closet, so. Yeah, y'all, that was the review on this. Y'all know I'm not that good at reviews. I always be trying to do reviews. Y'all saw when I did the Stussy review, it was like janky. I'm on the floor, all type of shit. Y'all know I'm not good with this joint. But I can let y'all know right now. Oh shit, the shit keep getting caught. But I can let y'all know right now, this joint definitely warm, cause me talking to y'all right now, I'm moving around in this joint. I can feel my body sweating. So it's definitely gonna keep you warm if you was wondering that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Thank you for, you know what I'm saying, watching the video, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Ronning, again, for reaching out to me and sending me the socks, sending me the fleece. You know, I'm definitely gonna wear this. I'm actually gonna do a TikTok video or something for this tomorrow, just to like show it. I'm gonna be like unboxing the Ronning fleece, and I'll do a little video for it and things like that. So yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Forrest representing, and we are out. Get it.